over me, feels like I'm somebody else. I get over, well, would you look at that? Another person telling me that I should just relax, calm down and take it easy, everything will be okay. Yeah, sure, cause that's what they all say. But oh, my mind isn't really my friend sometimes. I can hear my dreams calling me, but all these thoughts are haunting me. Or why is it always right before I fall asleep that I get overwhelmed so easily? My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. What's come over me feels like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed so easily. My